You're gonna help me. So what are we doing today?
Trying to take over the world. Wala milagro.
No.
Same thing we do every day, Katya. Try to take over the world, or we could just unbox.
You know what I would love to start trying to do every day?
Unbox toys.
Cut out your vocal cords, because it's that annoying.
Yay. Okay, come on.
Alright, come on. What is this? I know. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, there you go. That works too.
Oh. Well. Oh, okay. That's better.
Yeah.
Hold on. I got it. Wasn't me. I didn't ruin it. You did. No, it was Pikachu. Pikachu did it. Blame him. There we go.
Is this yours? Can I put it somewhere safe?
Let me move this. Fine. I'll move my sweet potato. Okay. Are you okay? You're sweating.
Whoa, that's so
You
cool.
sound like a 4-year-old. It's like, wow, that's so cool.
It is so cool. I want to play with your toys.
Stop moving your head. Don't resist it. Don't. I wish I had stitches. Just a second ago. Alright. Alright, and you don't know how. No. Alright.
Oh, surprises are endless. Fun is endless.
You okay, don't start the video. You're running. I'm sure that's in here. Alright, look. So number 1. Stop making that. Oh, let me get the knife.
Yeah, might help. Yeah, let's see. Whoa.
Santa Claus.
What
It's
is
kind of
that?
hard to
What is that called? A fidget
popping
spinner?
fidget spinner.
Yeah, but it's a spinner, right?
A dimple fidget spinner. It's
Your
kind of hard
dimple.
to push it through though. See? Look.
Hey, those are the best kind. Oh.
She's making no sense. See, it's kind of hard to push through, but I like it. I'm sure the more I pop it, it'll work better. You're tired.
Yeah, I am.
You
but I'm
barely
just-
slept last night.
But
Okay,
no, not
let's see
really.
how good it spins.
Whoa. Oh.
I don't know where my ring went.
Wapa! Salió corriendo.
Where did it go?
It's okay, I'll find it.
Oh, I see it.
What is this?
Ow.
Is this one of those
All right,
furniture things?
I got it.
Just-
Yeah. First I thought it was a piece of a mini Oreo.
I know,
Okay.
I thought that too.
Let's see, let's open number 2. There's number 2? Okay. Oh, I got a marble mesh.
I see. I get you. I mean,
Mila, look. Oh, okay. She's on the phone.
Esto se lo enseñamos, mami.
Oh, and I say Titi Mila because when I was younger I couldn't say auntie or milagros, so I said Titi Mila.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got a marble mesh and a fidget spinner. Let's see what's in number 3. Because today is December 7th, and this is the day that it arrived, so I get to open 7 boxes. Or even more if I want. And I also have the chocolate advent calendars. Come on, just open. Okay. It's okay if it breaks. Another marble mesh? I got another one.
Ooh. That means it's
I mean,
me.
I'm not complaining. Okay. Number 3 is... I just saw it. Oh, I just opened it. I just opened number 3 and I was like, where is it? I'm okay. That's it. Bring in the knife. There we go. That's better. Okay, this is a little harder than I expected. unexpected. Dude, what the heck? I got an infinity cube.
What?
Oops, accidentally numbered. Open number 5. Yeah, accidentally numbered number 5. Oh, it has a little Christmas hat.
Qué putería con un sombrerito.
Can you take it off?
Son.
You can even take it out and put it back on. Oh,
Katia, enséñale algo.
I'll show her in a second.
En unos minutitos te enseña. Porque
Oh, wait.
solamente...
Uh-oh, how do I get it back
you're only
in?
opening 6 or 7 of them, right?
Oops.
Right?
Yeah,
That's it.
I think I ruined it. How do I get it all the way back through? Oh, I can do it.
just realized that.
You realized what?
That you were only going to open whatever.
What are you talking about? What?
The reason I kept wanting to clean was because I was like, oh, well.
It's going to take forever?
Yeah,
Oh,
I thought you were going to unbox all of it.
Why would I open all of it at once?
I forgot.
That would be a waste of money.
Yeah.
I do not have enough money to just open all of it and wait. Yeah. How do I get this back through? I'll fix it later. Okay. So we have, I can't remember what this is called, but the little octopus.
No. Huh?
Just don't ruin it. Okay, Okay. And
Careful with the knife,
okay,
I
look.
don't want you to get
We
hurt.
got. Wait, you're serious?
Yeah, I don't want you to get hurt.
Oh, I thought you were kidding, because I know my mom would never say that.
Your mom would never say be careful with the knife.
Because you already know that I would be careful. Especially considering especially considering that I play with knives. Alright, well, she's leaving right now. Okay, so let's see the quality. Obviously, it's like a plastic one, but I still like it, and it's very Christmassy. Oh, thank you for fixing it, the camera. Oh, I like it. Look, try it. Come here, try it out really quick. Okay, try it. Try it out. You remember the infinity cube, right?
I used to be very fast. I can't remember why.
Oh, yeah, I remember you play with my infinity cube a lot.
Yeah.
See, even adults like fidget toys. Okay. So, you what? You
I love the infinity cube.
Oh, okay. So, we got that one done. Oh, and this is the back of it. Merry Christmas. Alright. So, sorry your face is being blocked. Okay. Number 6. Aw, I'm almost done. Number 6. Oh, I gotta pop it. Look, it accidentally tore. Yeah, alright. Let's see. Look. Here, come over here so that they can see a little bit. Are you sitting on the tablet?
No.
Oh.
Tablet's over there.
Oh, okay, good. Alright. So let's see.
Okay, let me tell.
Okay. In Spanish. Can you do it really quick? Okay. Alright.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's a sleigh with like a little present box. And it has this so you can like have it on a keychain. Let's see how good it pops. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so we're gonna put that there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already. And now number 7. Oh, it's tiny? I think I know what's gonna be in here. Yes!
Okay,
I know, I'm a little too excited. The Acupressure? I can't remember. Look, I've wanted one of these for so long.
Though. Oh my God, that's mine. Mine.
No.
Matt?
Wait.
Okay. Pasaste Swiffer.
I'm in the process, yes.
Ooh. These are my favorite. Thank God that I was able to open 7 days, or else I wouldn't have gotten this until tomorrow. I cannot explain how much I wanted this. I know it sounds stupid, but I've actually wanted this for a long time. Ooh. It's much better than I ever could have imagined.
Yeah, have it right.
Your fingers are gonna be too big because this is too
No,
small.
I don't
and
want
too
to put it on
tight.
my finger. I just want to touch it. Yeah.
Oh, Tissy, when you have a second, I want you to come over and feel it.
Oh my God.
Can I open a little bit more boxes?
It's yours. Miana, she
okay.
can open up whatever she wants, right?
However many boxes?
Meaning, like, if you
Obviously not all of them because that would be too many.
if you want to go past today's date, that's up to you.
Yes. Thank you so much. As long as I don't open all of them right now because that would be way too many and that would like ruin the whole purpose. Look, I got another one. You can have this one.
What? No.
No, I think there's already more. Do you know how I know?
How?
Because I got one and it showed a blue and green one, and obviously I want blue and it's my favorite. I think I'll give like one to Raylan, depending on how many there are. I'm sure Raylan is gonna like this. Okay, so now we have 8 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have 2 green marble meshes and 3. Is it Acupressure?
Yeah.
I think that's what they're called. And then they're also called, they have different names, but the point is I think it's like acupressuring, or what, I'm not sure if that's 100% the name. But, you know, I'm going to stop talking so much. Okay, let's see, number 9. Oh, it's a big one. Look.
I was thinking that's a
big one, let's see.
That, right? Love potion number 9.
Alright. Oh! I got a mini poppet. Alright. Oh yeah, that way you can see from over there. Alright, she's like right near the camera. That way she can see. Don't move it, please. Don't.
I have to just
Don't.
a little bit.
Nope,
No.
don't.
Actually, yeah, no, that's perfect now.
Yep. Alright, let's see how good it pops. Alright, shh, listen. Mama, it's a little too loud. Do you think she could turn it down? Literally just for 1 second so I can hear the pops. Can you tell her literally 1 second? Hold on. Or pause it for literally 10 seconds.
Okay, go ahead.
It's still too loud. They're not going to be able to hear it. Alright. Alright, listen. Let's see how good it pops. Shh, shh, shh. Don't move. Don't move. No. Get back up where you were. Just for a second. Alright, now don't move. Don't move. Alright, listen. Really quick. Shh, shh, shh. Isn't that satisfying? Alright. You can go.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's 9. Let's go on to number 10.
One more. You just stop at 10, right?
Yeah. I mean, there's 24, remember? So, of course, I'm not going to do all of them. That would be way too
You stop at 10, right? Do you want me to get you the other advent calendars, the chocolate ones?
They're right here. Don't you remember? Alright. No, don't talk. I got a fidget pad. That's what it's called. It looks like a little video game controller. I think I already had this exact same one, but I lost it, so I have a new one. So that's 10. And number 11. Because this one was already accidentally opened a bit. Oh, no way! I saw this in another Fidget Advent Calendar video. I never thought I'd actually get one though. Look, it's a little puzzle.
Oh, that's cool. And it looks like one of those little things that you put in the water when you go fishing. It's kind of just bobs.
Oh, that's cool. And then you can put it back together to make the puzzle.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Okay. Okay, I really like this. So that's 11. And to make an even number, let's go for number 12. Another one?
What? Another one of the
Little puzzle things. Yeah, like why do they keep giving me extras? Like I have a bunch of these. So, oh, now you can have one. Okay. So, ¿qué? See?
Uh-huh.
All right. That's it. No.
No,
Okay.
probably not.
All right.
Probably not. Okay.
All right. Here we go. Come on. Look. Sit back down. I don't know where you got. Come here. Look what I got. I got a little mini snake. Look.
Snake? Did you say snake?
Did you hear me?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You don't remember what the snake is? Look.
Not exactly.
Not this way. All right. Look.
Oh, yeah.
It's a mini one. Oh, it's so cute.
I want it.
Remember, you like these?
I love those. Esa cosa con la que ella juega ahí me encanta. Es tan entretenido. Ese y otro que hay ahí. Hay unos cuantos que de verdad que ayudan. Si tú estás tratando de concentrarte o estás demasiado estresado, eso es perfecto. ¿Qué más? No, ella te está grabando.
Alright, I'm trying to make it straight. We don't like gays. We want straight. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. Because I am, so I'm not straight, so I wouldn't apologize. I'm just gonna shut up now. Okay, ta-da! Little sneaky. So that's 13, right? Yeah, 13. And then last one that I'm gonna do for today is number 14. Okay, come over here for the last one. Can you come over for the last one, please? They're being so weird. She keeps saying, dear, oh dear, oh dear, dear, dear. Okay, stop. I don't know what's going on. They're being crazy. Can you please stop being so weird and come over here, please?
She's going, she's going.
So I can do the last one.
Yeah, don't touch it, that's probably wet.
Do you know what I start eating? There's cinnamon sugar powder, cinnamon butter, and there were melted marshmallows that were pretty much s'mores, and a bunch of melted marshmallow, like liquid, kind of, and marshmallows that weren't melted, and a sweet potato, and it tastes so good.
That's what I meant by
Okay. Come on, I want to finish the video.
Holy shiza. Okay, rapidito, Kate. You said you only have one left? Okay.
Yeah. These poor patient people have been waiting.
Okay. Wait.
Okay. I'm going to do number 14, and then I'm done. It looks kind of small. I'm excited. What's it going to be? Is it going to be something that I have an idea?
What is it?
I got a mochi.
It's a mochi. It's pink. Ish.
I got a little squishy mochi. Is it an elephant?
It's
It's a pink elephant.
Es un elefante. Oh my God. Bébelo. Oh, can I feel it? Show. Oh my God. She's gonna love it.
Okay, hold on.
You want me to pause?
No. Don't pause. Hold on, guys. Ow, my leg hurts.
Mamita,
Mira.
usa tu lupa.
I got a squishy mochi. Hold it. It's an elephant, a pink elephant.
I see.
It's a pink elephant mochi. Do you know what a mochi is? They're these little squishy toys. That's what a mochi is. Okay. So, guys, since I didn't really want my last one to be a mochi, you guys know. This makes it an uneven number. Don't judge me. I see you judging me with that face. Don't judge me. Okay. Ha ha, very funny. Oh, here we go. I see the line. Okay. Okay, what'd you get? Let's see. Ooh. It's blue. It's a blue mochi. Is it an elephant?
Un elefante azul. Hay uno rosita y después uno azul.
Like a girl and a boy. Wait, where's the pink one? Where'd the elephant go? It was just right there.
Over there.
Oh, it's on the floor. Oops. Okay. So, it's a baby boy elephant and a baby girl elephant. Can you guess which one is the boy and which one is the girl? Boy, girl. Weren't expecting that, were you? Pink is for the boy, and blue is for the girl. That didn't happen. She totally didn't fall off her throne. Okay, so 16. Ooh, it's a big one. All right, let's open it.
Is it?
Yeah, come here. Look, look, look.
Okay. Let me see.
Okay. Wait. Try this. Is so good. Let me move my ring. Not like the doorbell. Alright, look. See? It's really big. This is glass vessel. Even if I don't like mesh. No way!
What is it? Let me see. Let me see.
Did you guys see that? Look. Look. Look.
What? That's
what I
super
got.
cool.
Let me open it. Yeah, I used
Do
my
you want
teeth.
me to? Yeah, that works.
Don't judge me. Okay, let's see. And so I opened more than I planned on, but I'm still happy. Let's see how good it pops. Let's do the pop test. Shh, shh. I like it.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah. Perfect. All right. And now I'm gonna rate them. What?
So then you don't need me yet.
Nope. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the first ones I got. Oh my god! Oh look, mommy, look what it comes with. So I can put it on like a keychain.
Oh, cool.
Okay. So I like that. Okay, I'm gonna start with the first one that I got. Is one of these marble mesh. I like it. I love marble meshes. They're not my favorite fidget, but I like them. Let's see. It's normal. I like how it feels. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna rate it out of 10, maybe a 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. And the same for this one because it's the exact same one. And then which one came after that? This one, right? Yeah. I already love these. So the normal ones of these, I would normally rate them like a 6 out of 10. But since it even has a cute little Santa hat, I'm gonna rate it an 8 out of 10. Okay. Let's put it there with the marble mesh. Oh, and I'm a slinky from the dentist. So I got my tooth fixed. I bit candy and I had a big hole here from the tooth being chipped. But I got it fixed. It hurt a lot and it still hurts from yesterday. Yeah. I have medicine to help, so I'm good. Okay. Next, what did come next again? What came next? Yes, I remember. Wait, no, this was the first one, not the marble mesh. Okay. Well, I already rated them. So this first one, I'm gonna rate it like 8 out of 10 as well. You know what? No, I think I'm gonna change this to 7 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Okay. Came next. The infinity cube came next, right?
Yes.
After the octopus. Yeah. Okay. So infinity cube, 9 out of 10. I love it. Maybe put it with the rated fidgets. What came next? Is it this? I don't know. I'm gonna just go with this. Okay. 9 out of 10. I love it. What came after that? Was it these? I think. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume. Hey, 10 out of 10. These are definitely 10 out of 10 because I love them. Both are 10 out of 10 because they're literally the same thing. What came after that? I think it was the snake, right? I don't know if I'm right. I don't need to do it in perfect order, but I'm just gonna assume. Okay, this is for sure 9.5 out of 10. What came after that? This, right? No, wait. Was it this? Yeah, I think it was this. Okay. 9 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10. This is for sure 7.5 out of 10. Possibly an 8, maybe. But I'm gonna stick with my original rating. And then I think this came next. Yeah. So this definitely 9.7. 9.7 out of 10. So tired. Okay. Also a 9.7 out of 10, but I think I'm gonna say 10 out of 10 because it's blue and that's my favorite color. It's kind of like a bluish gray. Okay. Wait, no. Before that came these, but I already rated those, so I'm good. 8.6 out of 10. Same for this one because they're the same thing. And the last one, 10 out of 10. Love it. And that's all for today. But in a few days, once I get to the 16th of December, once it's the 16th of December, or the 17th, once it's the 17th of December, I'm gonna open number 17 and possibly maybe a few more, but maybe just 17. And then every day from then on, I'm gonna try my best to remember to record myself opening every day after that. Okay? And that's it. Ow. Wait, can you guys see the couch right now? The Christmas couch? I don't know. Say goodbye. Come on. You gotta say goodbye to the people. Hey, have you been naughty or nice?
Bye.
Hey, do you think they should tell us in the comments if they've been naughty or nice?
Yeah.
Alright. And, oh wait, I forgot. I'm gonna open a chocolate and show them. Okay, where's number 6? I mean 7, because it's a 7. Let's see. Number 7 is a little chocolate hat.